Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a brand new slide into your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Let's wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top navigation menu, click on File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop. Go to presentation.key. Click on this, now open. And so now what we can do is go to the top navigation menu where we see View, Zoom, Add Slide. Click on Add Slide. This will insert a new slide after we click on a choice of our own. Another way to insert a slide will be to go to Insert or Slide, New Slide. And the shortcut to insert a new slide is Shift, Command and N. And there we go. So we can Command S to save, quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.